Guys, what if you could make $500 and even $1,000 in a single day promoting others' product? Hey guys, stay. This video is not about clickbait. This is the completely new method and a new strategy that I'm gonna share with you in this video. It is completely free. It works worldwide. You can work from wherever you are in the world, and the most important thing is it is very simple and easy to use. If you are a complete beginner, you can even apply and operate this method to make money online. So now guys, without further ado, let's start our video. And guys, before starting our video, if you are new to our YouTube channel, there is a red subscribe button down below. Subscribe our channel. We upload daily videos on making money online. And guys, if you don't want to miss any new videos about making money online, then turn on all the notifications so that I can notify you. Now guys, the very first step is that you need to come to this website. And guys, don't worry, I'll give the name of the website at the end of this video, so make sure you stay to the end of this video. And guys, this is the platform that is trusted by big selling platforms like Shopify, Indiegogo, and many more. Guys, as I said you earlier, it is very easy to work on this website. Basically, there are 3 steps to work on this website. Number 1, you need to sign up and then select a campaign and then spread the word. So guys, here to work, we need to click on become a booster. Now guys, here you need to fill up your name, your email, and the referral code that I will give in the description box. You can check from there and then create a password, confirm it, check both of the box, and then click on submit. And guys, this is the very first page of this website. Here we can see different activities of our campaign, our sales, clicks, each and every activities of our business. We are gonna see that all the activities in this page. And then here on the left side, there is a marketplace tool. You need to click on that. And now this is the marketplace of this website, guys. Here are the different products which we can promote and earn a lot of commission from these products when they are sold. Here are a lot of products, guys. So guys, what I recommend you all is to make some changes on the category section. As a default, it is selected on all, and I recommend you to choose on design, education, fashion, food, health, technology. And guys, now here on the sort by, we need to click on commission high to low so that we can see the products that are paying high commission for us for promoting their products. So now guys, here are the different products which we can promote and make money. So now guys, let's say I want to click on this. To promote, we need to click on boost this campaign button. And guys, now here is the deal. Earn 20% commission for helping us spread the word about our revolutionary products. What is says is we are gonna earn 20% commission on the selling price of this product. So now we need to click on help boost our website. So now guys, here this is the code which we need to refer to the different buyers. And now guys, as I said earlier, as a bonus, I'm gonna show you the biggest free high traffic sources. The very first website, it is called Quora.com. You need to come to the Quora, create a free account, and then this is the home page where you are gonna come. Now in Quora, there are 2 ways of promoting our products. The very first way is that we need to answer the different questions which are asked on the Quora. You need to include your link on the answer, and then when the different people all over the world see your answer, and if they click on the buy the product, then you are gonna make 20% commission, guys. And guys, the second way is to write your own question on the Quora. At first, you need to create a question related to your products and then answer that question, and that on that answer you need to include the link from this website, and then you need to post on Quora. And now guys, the second website is a bonus for the high traffic. We are using Facebook. On Facebook guys, you need to search the related keywords to the products. Then we need to search here weight loss tips, and then guys, we need to filter on a group. And now guys, here are many groups in which many members are associated. For example, let's say here 81,000 members are linked on this weight loss tips. And now guys, what you need to do here is you need to click on join button. You need to join on the group, and then you start posting our link, writing a post. This strategy is completely free, simple and very effective guys, as we get here the highest traffic from all over the world. Using these two platforms, Quora and Facebook, you can generate a high traffic related to the products, and then you can increase your sales day by day. Guys, if you love the video, then like the video, and there is a red subscribe button down below. Subscribe the channel and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any upcoming videos on making money online guys.